What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the KF Gang movement. Let's go. Don't forget to like and share the video. It will help me out a lot in the algorithm. Make sure to follow me on Instagram right here. Double I on King. Hellcat took the cone, messed up the front bumper. Gotta be careful with the kitty. Infinity in the house, okay. He's burning the second spot and he's already on wire? Oh! Oh, chug! Saluda, chug, chug, chug! Okay. People are trusting the Camaro. Oh, too soon, too soon, too soon. Oh, we got a C8. Okay. We got a C8 and we got the cops. But that C8 though, shit. Hey, this motel has specials right now. Look at all these damn people right here. Hey. We got a G8 in the house. Look how beautiful that G8 is. The people are trusting the G8. We got the fireworks. Keep on coming. Walt Disney, where a dream could come reality. We got a D-badge Hellcat, but it has a Hellcat logo in the front. Some good control right there. I like that. That thing sounds so fucking sick. Oh, 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 oh. That's control right there. I'm telling you, it's the G8s or the GTOs that be putting in the crazy work out here. Respect to those cars. 4 units came, guys. 4 units approached the spot right now. Like I was telling Mrs. Queen Fresh, I was like, you know, we've been here 20 minutes, let's go. And as soon as we dip, 4 units popped out. You gotta trust your ball sack sometimes, guys. This taco truck always brings the takeovers. I'm telling you right now. Damn, the lighting right here though is legit. Let me see. 360. Hey, look, and I'm sober right now too, by the way. Woo, Papa Titty, let's get litty. You want to see real speed? Y el color me jornea, es como blue ball, blue. I just realized that my tire's so bald. La verga. It's balder than your girl's panocha. Look at this. God damn, we have some wires coming up somewhere right here. God damn. Man, we got a cop just right here stuck. Probably slipped on an ice cube or something. So we're making out here to return to the spot, and we got a little sneaky bastard right here. A sneaky little bastard right there. Acting like if I don't see him, I see you, sneaky bastard. Made it to the location. We got the, I think the firefighters are trying to get through, or I don't know what's going on here. We got the SS right here, okay. People help the fire truck get out. See, teamwork. And so now he's on his way to do his fire activities. Now they're gonna let him through. You see? I like this. We're doing a takeover, but when it comes to firefighters, we gotta let him through. So the meat's here. The SS still swinging it, and then we have the firefighter right here. Para que vean que the takeovers are no son malos la gente, eh? I knew that was a sketchy spot because the concrete goes like this, like a butt cheek, like that. The next location, but the feds are here. It's just one though. It's just one fed, so relax. Ay, güey, ese güey se partió la madre corriendo. Shit, just one cop. Vámonos para la casa. Dale gas. Okay, we got one cop. Good thing I'm short. He can't see me. I'm pretty much invisible. Oh damn, I have to get in the car. Damn, so the cop swerved around everybody, and then the Mustang tried to get away, but the cop got him, guys. Let's go see what the homeboy Mustang has to do right now.
It's not the Mustang.
It's a Mustang. Trust me, I know my cars.
Oh, yeah,
not too late for that. Wait, I'm pulling over the cop right now. Oh, is the Mustang making a run for it? Oh, damn. I think the officer's telling him to go, keep going straight, huh? Other way. Sheesh, for the boys right here.
Hold on. You can't hear it though.
It's always good to have undercover friends. Nah, I'm playing. Nah, but he lets us know. Let me see. What are the cops saying right now?
I don't know. Let them.
They're saying that they're at McDonald's getting coffee?
For Dunkin' Donuts for 24/7.
We got one and now two. These guys are ready.
30 to 40 years over the description.
Damn, somebody's getting their ass ate.
For medical emergency only. Monitor comments for additional.
Alright guys, so we made it to the next location right now, and I think the CTSV is about to get down and dirty right now. Shit, he was ready. CTSV making some big clouds. We got Chopper in the sky. I see you. Chopper's up. CTSV doesn't care. If he doesn't care, I don't care. According to my undercover friend now, according to the homie, he said the cops are coming, so we're on our way to the next spot. How hard are they coming from and how hard are they?
I just heard one unit.
Is he hard though?
I don't know.
That's how you know you came to the right spot. Oh, damn. Hold on. Chill. We got some gunshots again. People on the floor. I'm telling you, when the takeovers come, to the hood, you're gonna hear some gunshots because some people ain't gonna have it. Sheesh. This is the 5th video that I make with gunshots. It started to become an everyday thing. I love it. And I know you guys love it. Hey. Got you. Already on wires. Paz, baby. Honduras, hey, dale, dale. This is becoming an everyday thing now. This one, hey, I don't know if I got the gunshots, but it was like at least how many?
It was like at least a 6.
Like at least 6. It was like a little burst, like pra, pra, pra.
Yeah.
I had stopped recording, I think, because that one car popped his tire. So once he popped the tire, it was just like pra, 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 and everybody was just like hiding. I guess this Chrysler hit this dude right now when we were coming to the spot coming out of the freeway right here. His bumper's all messed up. Airbags came out, so like he said, salvage tied and all, huh?
Yeah.
What year is this? A new car, right?
I believe it's a 2020 Accord.
That's what I was gonna tell you, 2020, huh? Dude, it could have been worse, to be honest, bro. For like the way you guys spin and everything.
We could have fucking smacked into this shit.
That's what I thought at first. I told my girl, like, they probably hit the pole or something like, but then I seen that other dude. Let me see. Yeah, at least I gotta tell you guys, I'm telling you, Honda has better safety. I literally crashed my whole BMW from the front. Not one airbag came out. Airbags for the win here. So. You were a passenger?
Yeah.
Okay. Damn, the drinks are still intact. I'm telling you, them Hondas, they're good.
I'm thirsty.
This was said I'm a little thirsty. Yeah, he's playing a sad song because he knows you just crashed, bro. Esa no! So this is the other car that came in right now. So they're gonna change insurance. The radiator juice didn't come out. Tires are good, so she's good to go once we take this part off.
Making my money up. Bustin' down the road like now she tryna fuck.